Look at this. Look at this. This is gorgeous. Like, this is a storybook I created myself from the scratch, and you too can do it. I did this in less than 5 minutes. I said I created it from the scratch, but I did it in less than 5 minutes. Ask me all ages. That is why you too can make a storybook for all ages. Everybody can read the storybook, be it children, be it adult, any kind of age bracket you want to create your story. You can do that using AI in a very easy step. All you need to do is to watch every part of this video, because every part of it is packed with valuable information that will help you to process this or to accomplish this. Don't forget to give us a like, share, and comment. Also follow, because we have more videos like this in store. Every day we drop a new video. We also have our YouTube channel where you can go and watch all our tutorials for free. All you need to do is to click on the subscription and also click on your notification to receive information or notification the moment we drop new videos. Let's go into the business of today, which is showing you how to create a favorite or your favorite storybook for any age, any level. First of all, I went on ChatGPT. That is where I usually get my stories if I want to write a storybook. So I went on ChatGPT and said, write me a short story for my storybook. I'm using Gemini for the generation. I'm a beginner. This has to be my first storybook. Make it worth it. Gemini gave me a story. You can see with a title, the body, and the conclusion, even the moral lesson of the story. Okay, the moral of the story. I simply highlighted, like I simply copied everything here from the story. So I clicked on select and started from the title to copy all the story from the beginning to the end. Okay, I didn't add the moral of the story. I simply stopped here. I clicked on copy, then I went to Gemini. When you get to Gemini, all you need to do is let me go to stop. When you get to Gemini, this is usually how it looks. Click on these three bars here. You can see the three bars. When you click on it, you can see these options under gems. Click on storybook, and then come over here and paste your storybook. After you have pasted it, you don't need to separate the title from the body. Just copy it exactly as ChatGPT gave it to you. You can see the title is at the top and this is the body until the end of it. Now simply click on this sign here to send in your request. It will generate this story in less than 5 seconds. Like, it is very fast depending on the length of your story. I made mine very short. Now at the end of the story, when it finished generation, it will look like this. So this was the one I sent, okay? This was the first one I sent. Now, at the end of the generation, it's going to look like this. You need to click on open to open this storybook. This is it. This is the desktop version of it. Now, if you want to save this storybook, it is going to be a little difficult. That's why you have to listen to this. By the way, I have already shown you this storybook in the beginning, so there is no need going through it again. Let's focus on saving this, okay? Now, tap on this icon, this share icon up here, the share icon, this one. Tap on it. It's going to look like this. Tap on the share again. And wait, it's going to take some time. Now, find Chrome on the list of your share options. You can see share below here. Find Chrome, tap on Chrome. It's going to look like this on Chrome. Then go on these three dots here. You can see, go on these three dots at the top right corner, the three dots. Then click on desktop site. Click on desktop site. Then it will look like this. All you need to do is you can increase this storybook and take a screenshot of it. This is where you can be able to flip through it, zoom in, zoom out, zoom in, zoom out, and then you can be able to like flip through it and take a screenshot. It's not able to be downloaded. If you want to save it, you can simply click on those three dots and use this option download here to download. Okay, use that icon that is pointing down, that arrow pointing down. Click on it to download it, and you need a special software to be able to open it, to access it. That is one way to do this. Okay, I hope this helps you.